Hadian gejing pau biang kidak orpat jingkieng dwar ksuid ke National Highway Authority of India kum shibenta banweng ye gejing bat gejing mana ke benta ki patba kilasna no da kowe jingkieng ke balamang banyat da ki trok ki bala bankit hadu hendru pau metric ton bat ye kan ni lakmi lenti ban pendap no hau banai banwan ha gejing lek ban lum kubor da Shillong Mail Kyrwoh ke Atiar badangsen la sakhi ye kidak orpat ki bahe ha barok ki ar benta jong jingkieng bala yo iru baki narot ki lapau sabar bat kan ni kala banwan ra ki jingjia basungsi la da ki bor jong sarkar kim khang ye ki trok ki bakit palat put halor kene Shillong Mail Kyrwoh ke Atiar ula yo banyak keren bat Anand Singh Chauhan ubade project director ke National Highway Authority of India halor ke jing orpat jong jingkieng ula banakal yang jong National Highway Authority of India kim dan ya ke bor ban talasi ya ki kali kit palat put hindrai ke kamram ke dei na ke benta ban sna ya ke surok.
Actually, bridge, the total duration of construction of this bridge as per contract is 1 year. So it, as per contract, it should be completed in August end or September first week. But as per the speed of the work, it will be completed in next month, end of May. Actually, existing bridge was under PWD previously. Then it was handed over to NHAI due to these cracks. And then after one belly bridge has been constructed 2-3 years before. But because due to loaded vehicle can't operate on that belly bridge, then this new bridge has been constructed. So I can't comment on the cracks which has developed in the existing RCC bridge. Yeah, actually this bridge, the new bridge has been designed for taking 60-ton capacity of trucks. So there will be no problem of this type of vehicle loaded with quarry material or other materials. This is designed like that.
What about the existing one?
Existing one actually in our contract it was to be demolished, but because it is in functional, it is in functional, functional form. So it will not be admirable to demolish existing bridge because it is in a working condition. Rectification may be done later on, or any requirement that 2 to 4 lane may be done, then this bridge may be used. The speed of that on that RCC bridge has been restricted to 10 km per hour or 1 by 1 vehicle. At a time, 1 vehicle will pass on that belly bridge. Actually, this is 2-lane bridge, but at present it is functioning as a single lane. Actually, we are accelerating our pace to construct new concrete bridge so that we can divert all traffic from this bridge.
Belly bridge, this existing one will be demolished or?
It will be decided later.
Or maybe using for light vehicle?
Yeah, for light vehicle it may be used because if there is an existing structure, what is the need to demolish when it can be used by light vehicles? If there is a plan of 2-lane to 4-lane extension of roads, this may be used like that.